We'll guide you through how to join a Google class. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the situation of where you're trying to go and join a Google class. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. There are different ways this can be done as well, so make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything so you can go and learn how it can go and be done. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. That could be Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Safari. Here we are. Now, what you want to do is come to Google Classroom. So you can come to google.com and make sure you're using the Google account you want to use. Then press Google Apps in the top right, and you can go and scroll down and you can go and find Classroom. As you can see, you can scroll quite far down and here it is. Now you can be brought here. So if you have the code, what you can do is go to the top right and press the plus, press join class, and you then need to go and enter in the code. I'll right click and go and paste it in as you can see. Then you can go and press join and we're going to go and join the class, just like this. Alternatively, what you can do is the teacher or the owner of the class may have gone and invited you via email. So you can come to your email and then we had this invitation here and we can come down here and go and press join class. You've got some different ways it can go and be done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.